Hey guys, so today I'm just showing you this hairstyle. It's like this beachy kind of soft waves with a straightener, and so I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Okay, so first you want to take your heat protectant spray. I'm using Beat the Heat by Not Your Mother's, and you just want to spray that all through your hair. And you want to brush it out. And just split your hair into sections like you're going to straighten it. Okay, so now that you have the bottom part, just go ahead and brush it out, get all the tangles out. And then you want to take your straightener. I'm using one by Chi, just regular ceramic one. And then you want to take a piece of hair, a section of hair, about like a 1-inch section, and you want to clamp it and go forward and go backwards, and then forward, backwards, forward, just like that the whole way through. And you get like this kind of crimped hair. Now the bottom layers don't matter as much as the top layers. The top you want to make more defined. And then you just keep doing this throughout your whole head. Now you want to go ahead and make another section, and then you want to take the pieces that you already did and put it to the side that you're not going to work on right now, and just split this into two. The top part, and take down one side and pin the other side back up, or tie it back up. Just like that. And then you want to brush it out and do the same thing. Once you're done with that piece, just throw it in the back so it's not in your way anymore. Okay, now once you're done with that side, you want to just bring all the hair that you've already done over to that side and take down the other side. Brush it out. Now for your bangs, if they're short enough, you can leave them straight, but mine are really long, so I'm just gonna crimp them too. And you want to just kind of run your fingers through it, and go back and touch up any spots that need touching up, like over here. It's kind of straight on the top and I don't like that, so I'm just going to take some sections and crimp them again. Same over here. And then so you don't have like a really noticeable part in the back of your head, just take around the top part, like right here. Just take a little section, bring from both sides, and just crimp it. So right there. And if you don't like your bangs crimped, you can always straighten them again, or you can put them up. I like it up better. Okay, and now you just want to take some hairspray. I'm using the Garnier Fructis Volumizing Anti-Humidity Spray, and the hold is number 3. And you just want to go through it because you don't want your hair to be too crunchy. I mean, if that's your thing, then go ahead. But I don't like my hair too crunchy, so I'm just gonna, if some will come out, just kind of spray lightly all over it, and then kind of run your fingers lightly, not all the way through it, just kind of like, just to like, I don't know, soften it, I guess. It works for me, so. And then you want to go ahead and spray on the inside and get the ends. Oh, I just sprayed myself. That was just a waste of hairspray. These ends, get the back, you know, just spray your hair. And then if you do decide to do the bump, obviously spray your bump a little bit. Just kind of run your fingers over. And then that's the finished look. So yeah, it's easy and everything. So thanks for watching. Try it out and subscribe.